If you want that classic Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake cool, creamy, tangy, and sliceable, this is the easiest way to nail it. Full written recipe and pro tips are in the first pinned comment or at nobakedessertslab.com. Here's what makes it work. Full-fat brick cream cheese, powdered sugar for a silky filling, whipped heavy cream for structure, and a graham cracker crust that actually holds together. Start by lining the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment, then lightly grease the sides. This makes unmolding way easier. Mix graham cracker crumbs with melted butter, a little salt, and optional sugar until it looks like wet sand. Every crumb should be evenly coated. Press it down hard, especially around the edges, so it slices clean later. Then chill the crust while you make the filling. Beat the softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth and fluffy, no lumps. Scrape the bowl, then beat again. This is the best time to fix texture. Now add powdered sugar, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and sour cream for that classic tang. A little lemon zest is optional, but it makes everything pop. Whip cold heavy cream to medium stiff peak, strong enough to hold shape, but still creamy. Overwhip and it turns grainy. Fold, don't stir. Gentle folding keeps the air in the whipped cream so the cheesecake sets light, thick, and sliceable. Spread the filling into the crust and smooth the top. Give the pan a couple light taps to release big air pockets. Now the hardest part. Chill at least 6 hours overnight is even better. That fridge time is what gives you clean, bakery-style slices. And latch the pan and lift it off slowly. If you chilled it long enough, the sides should look smooth and firm. For sharp slices, use a hot knife, run it under hot water, wipe it dry, then slice. Clean the blade between cuts. Top it any way you like: fresh berries, classic cherry topping, lemon curd, or a chocolate drizzle. Same base, totally different vibe. That's it, Philadelphia style, no oven, and it slices like a dream. For the full recipe, troubleshooting, and make-ahead tips, grab the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.